Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see question number 1 and 2 of exercise 9.4 of class 8th. In this exercise we will see the multiplication of binomials. Okay, one or two binomials expression is there, we have to multiply them to each other. Its first question is multiply the binomials. First is 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. It means these two will multiply each other. It means in the first step we have to write them with multiplication. Now as you can see, our 2x will firstly multiply in these two. After that this 5 will multiply in these two. It means firstly 2x will go and after that 5 will go. But 5 is not only 5, this is positive 5. Okay, most of the students are getting confused, why did they have here plus and why did here minus symbol is coming. So firstly 2x will go, after that positive 5 will go. 2x firstly go near to 4x minus 3. Then 5 will multiply with 4x minus 3. Now we have to multiply 2x with 4x minus 3. So firstly 2x will go near to 4x. After that it will go near to 3. Okay. So that 2 4s are 8. X is to power 1, x is to power 1 will become x is to power 2 in the case of multiplication. Now minus symbol will be there because minus plus is minus. 2 3s are 6 and x as it is. Now this positive 5 will multiply. 5 4s are 20 and x as it is. Plus plus will be plus. Now plus minus is minus and 5 3s are 15. So it will become 8x square. You can see here we have same variable. So we can do minus plus. Minus plus is there. So we have to do subtraction. 20 minus 6 is 14 and x will be same. Which is the greater? 20 is the greater, so its symbol will be remain and minus 15 as it is. So this is the solution of first one. Second question is y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. So firstly we will write them in the multiplication form. Y minus 8 multiply by 3y minus 4. So firstly we will distribute y and 8 because we have to multiply y minus 8. So firstly y will go, after that negative 8 will go near to 3y minus 4. Here also 3y minus 4. Now firstly we will see this first thing. Okay, so y firstly go inside, so y is to power 1, y is to power 1. So it will become y is to power 2 with 1 3's is 3 minus y and 4. So it will become 4y. Now it's minus 8 term. So minus plus is minus. 8 3's are 24 and y will remain. Now minus minus plus. 8 4's are 32. Okay. Now last line is 3y square. You can see both places having y, it means same variable, so we can do addition or subtraction what the term is showing. So minus minus, it means we will add them. Okay, minus minus is plus. 24 plus 4 is 28y. Okay, which is the greater number? 24 is the greater number, so minus will be remain. Now last is plus 32 as it is. Now this is the answer of second one. Third is 2.5 L minus 0.5 M, and it will multiply by 2.5 L plus 0.5 M. So firstly we will write them in the form of multiplication, where 2.5 L minus 0.5 M will multiply by 2.5 L plus 0.5 M. Okay, our first binomial, each term will go near to second binomial each term. So first binomial term are going, so we will put them with taking some distance. Okay, so 2.5 L is here, 0.5 M will be here, but with minus symbol. Now they both are multiplying by second binomial terms, so 2.5 L plus 0.5 M. Here also 2.5 L plus 0.5 M. Now you can see here we have decimal values. Okay, numerical coefficient of the expression is decimal. So 2.5 multiply by 2.5. So let's see its multiplication in the rough. 2.5 is multiplying by 2.5. 5 5s are 25, 2 on the carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. 2 5s are 10, 1 on the carry, and 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Okay, so 5 is here, 2 is here, 5 plus 1 is 6. Now how can we put the decimal? Here in the first one place is remain. After leaving one place, decimal is here. Here also after leaving one place, decimal is here. So 1 2, it means 2 place we have to leave. So 1 2, decimal will be here. Okay, so 2.5 multiplied by 2.5, it will give us 6.25. L into L is L square. Okay, now plus plus is plus. Now we have to see the multiplication of 2.5 with 0.5. Okay, let's see it. 2.5 is multiplying by 0.5. 5 5s are 25, 2 on the carry. 5 2s are 10 and 2 is 12. Okay, now 0 5s are 0, 0 2s are 0. So 5 2 1. Now we have to put the decimal. Here one place, here one place. After decimal one place, after decimal one place. It means we have to leave 1 2 place here, and this will be the answer. It means 2.5 multiplied by 0.5, it will give us 1.25 LM. Now minus plus, so minus will be here. 0.5 will multiply by 2.5. So we seen its multiplication here. Its answer is 1.25. So here 1.25, and M multiplied by L is LM. We can also write here ML. Okay, now minus plus is minus. Now we have to see, we have to do the multiplication of 0.5 with 0.5. So 0.5 will multiply by 0.5. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 5 is here, 2 on the carry. 5 zeros is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. Then 0 5s are 0, 0 zeros is 0. Then 5, 2 and 0. After decimal 1, here after decimal 1, 1 and 2 terms, it means in the answer of multiplication 1 2 place leave. After that we can put decimal. Here its answer will be 0.5. Multiply by 0.5 is 0.25, and m into m is m square. You can see we have 6.25 L square here plus 1.25 Lm minus 1.25 Lm. Both the elements are same but having plus and minus symbols. It means when we do plus and minus, its answer will be 0. Okay, so we can cut them by each other, and last remaining term is 1.25 m square. So this is the solution of third one. Now we have a plus 3b and x plus 5. It means we have to multiply a plus 3b and x plus 5. So first binomial term will go near to second binomial. So a plus 3b. Okay, so a will multiply x plus 5. Here 3b will multiply x plus 5. So a into x is ax plus a into 5 is 5a. Then 3 into 1 is 3. Then b into x is bx. Here 3 5s are 15 and b will be same. Now you can see here we don't have any term which is just same as other. So here we have to leave the answer. This is our answer. Fifth is 2pq plus 3q square, and it will multiply by 3pq minus 2q square. So firstly we will write in the multiplication form. Then our first element term will go near to second element terms. So 2pq, then here plus 3q square. Now each term of the first expression will go near to second expression. Second expression is 3pq minus 2q square. Here 3pq minus 2q square. Then we will multiply. Here 2 3s are 6. P into p is p square. Q into q is q square. Then plus minus is minus. 2 2s are 4. P into 1 is p. Okay, here we don't have any p term, that means p will be same. Q into q square will give us q's to power 3. Now plus into plus is plus. 3 3s are 9. Here p will be same. Q square into q, it will give us q cube. Plus minus is minus. 3 2s are 6. Q's to power 2, q's to power 2. When it will multiply by each other, it will give us q's to power 4. Here first term will be the same in the answer, 6p square q square. Okay, here pq cube, pq cube, same as it is variable is here, so we can do minus and plus. Minus plus is minus. What we have to do? We have to do minus. 9 minus 4 is 5 and variable will be same. Okay, but the symbol will be of greater number. Greater number is 9, so its symbol will be same. And the last term, that is 6q to power 4, will be same. This is the answer of fifth one. Sixth one is 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square, and it will multiply by 4 multiply by a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Okay, so firstly we have to multiply this expression with this expression, but in the second one we have one more thing. Second expression is multiplying by firstly with 4. Okay, so firstly I am multiplying 4 with second expression, that is 4 into a square is 4a square minus 4 2s are 8, and denominator of 3 will be same because in the 4 denominator we have 1, so 1 3s is 3 and b square. This expression is multiplying by first expression, that is 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square. Now our first expression each term is multiplying by second expression each term. Okay, so 3 by 4 a square, here second term of the first expression is positive 3b square. Okay, so now we will put the elements of second term. Second expression is 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. Here 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. Okay, now 3 into 4 will be 3 into 4. Okay, by 4 into 1 is 4 and a is to 2, a is to 2, so it will become a raised to 4 minus plus minus is minus. Here 3 by 4 is multiplying by 3 into 8 and 4 into 3, so a square and here b square plus into plus is plus, 3 4s are 12, then a square b square. Okay, plus minus is minus. Okay, it will give us 3 into 8 is 3 into 8, 1 into 3 is 1 into 3, so b square multiplied by b square, it will give us b is to power 4. Now you can see we can cut 4 1 is 4, 3 2 3, 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, here 3 2 3 cut, so first term is 3 is to power 4. Okay, minus 2 a square b square plus 12 a square b square minus 8 b to power 4. Okay, you can see here we have a square b square a square b square, so minus plus is minus. 12 minus 2 is 10, and which is the greater? 12 is the greater, so its symbol will be remain same. So here 10 a square b square, other term will be same. So this is the solution of question number 6 of first. Question number 2 is find the product. In this question we have directly things that we have to multiply first expression with second. So our first expression term will go near to second expression. So first expression first term is 5, second term is minus 2x. So minus 2x here. Second expression is 3 plus x and here 3 plus x. Okay, so 5 3s are 15, plus will be same, plus plus is plus, 5 into x is 5x. Now minus plus is minus, 2 3s are 6 and x will be c. Again minus plus is minus, 2 1 is 2, x is to power 1, x is to power 1, so it will give us x is to power 2 you can see here we have x and here we have x. It means we can do plus minus. Plus minus is minus. So 6 minus 5 is 1 and the variable is x, and who is greater in between these two? 6 is greater, so its symbol will be same, and other two elements will be same. 15 minus 2x square. Okay, so this is the solution of first one. Second is x plus 7y multiply by 7x minus y. So we will distribute our first expression such that x is here, then positive 7y. Okay, so second expression is 7x minus y, here 7x minus y. Then 1 into 7 is 7, x into x is x square. Plus minus is minus, x into y is x y. Okay, now second thing, plus into plus is plus, 7 sevens are 49, y into x is x y, or you can also write it here yx. Okay, plus minus is minus, 7 into 1 is 7, y into y is y square. Now here xy same. Okay, so what we can do? We can do minus plus. Minus plus is minus. 49 minus 1 is 48 and its variable will be xy, and other two will be remain same. So 7x square plus 48xy minus 7y square will be the answer of second one. Third one is a square plus b, a plus b square. So first expression term is a square plus b. These two will multiply by second expression a plus b square, a plus b square. A square into a is to power 3, plus into plus is plus, a square b square, then plus plus is plus, b a, so a b. Most of the time we are writing them in the alphabetical order because a is coming before than b. That's why we are writing each of the place like the alphabetical order. That's why here AB. You can also write it here BA, but when the same variable is coming in the different term, so it will create lots of confusion when our variable is not in the alphabetical order. So try to put variable in alphabetical order. Plus plus is plus, b into b square is b cube. You can see each term is different to each other, so here will be the answer. Fourth is p square minus q square. It will multiply by 2p plus q, so that p square minus q square will go near to second expression. Second expression is 2p plus q, here 2p plus q. Let's multiply p square into 2p. So 1 into 2 is 2. P square multiplied by p, it will give us p used to power 3 plus plus will be the plus. P square q same as it is. Now minus plus is minus, 1 2s are 2, p q square. Okay, in this multiplication each variable is different to each other, that's why each variable will be same. Then minus plus is minus q square into q, q is to power 2, q is to power 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, it means q is to power 3. Any term which is same as each other? No, none of the term is same as each other. So here we have to stop, and this is the answer of fourth of question number 2. Question number 3 we will see in the next video.